Hi, my name is Michael Gennardo. I'm the CEO and founder of Keep International. Right now I'm with Mr. Fred Zulli, CEO and founder of Mibel Biochemistry from Switzerland. We are discussing a few product development potentials and working together. I'm very happy to be with Mr. Fred Zulli.
Hello, my name is Fred Zulli and I'm here with Michael Gennardo, and we're very happy to meet him here, and so we can discuss new developments, new products we're going to launch after the Apple Cell product. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Fred Zulli, we are here to have a Q&A a little bit to learn more about the Mibel products. Maybe I'll ask a few questions and you do your best to answer the questions. So let's begin with how does the plant stem cell connected with the human stem cell?
So in one way they are of course different. Plants are not humans, but stem cells have things in common. If they come from a human, they contain epigenetic factors which regulate immune preference. From the extract of the plant stem cells, we can give these epigenetic factors to human stem cells, and this will activate these stem cells. This was shown in our studies.
I see. Is there any differences in function of plant stem cells and embryonic stem cell? And if there are, could you please explain what they are?
So the plant stem cells are stem cells which can support the function of adult stem cells in humans. And this has nothing to do with embryonic stem cells. So completely different.
Completely different, yeah. What makes plant stem cells longer? Do they use any preservatives?
No, our products are made in that sense that we cultivate these stem cells, which is a typical process, and then these stem cells are harvested, washed, purified, and then are disrupted. So they're no longer intact living stem cells, and they get extracted and encapsulated into liposomes, so they have a bioavailability to the body.
Wow, that's very good. So we know obviously that plant stem cells, apple and grape, can work more in the skin stem cells. I've seen it myself in your video in the Solar Fit This, 40% retain the UV radiation, and also as an anti-aging. But can they work together on other organs in our body, like our blood, our liver, our heart, bone, or cartilage? If the answer is yes, could you maybe specify what they are?
Most of our studies have been done on skin, as our company focusing on cosmetics and skincare, but we have also done some studies on umbilical cord stem cell of humans, and there we could see similar effects as we have shown on skin stem cells.
Any body parts in specific that you have done other than the umbilical?
No, that's
it, yeah. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, this is a funny question. In 1 kilogram of apple stem cell and 1 kilogram of grape stem cells, could you maybe give us an estimate of how many apples and how many grapes in terms of fruits in kilograms, or or
this
basketful?
This is a wrong question to say, because we don't isolate these stem cells out of apples. We isolate once the stem cells, and the stem cells grow then independent, without any grapes, without any apple trees. We multiply the stem cells itself in special reactors.
I see.
So we don't need any apples, we don't need any grapes anymore, so we have the stem cells which are multiplied.
Okay. So in 1 kilogram of the grape stem cell or apple stem cell, how many, equivalent to how many apple, maybe in 1 kilogram?
This again,
no correlation whatsoever. Yeah? Okay. Is there any limit value of intoxication for consuming the apples and grapes?
We have shown that these products are safe and we have recommended use levels, and even though if you would exceed this use level, there's absolutely no toxicity problem.
No problem whatsoever. Yeah. So
yeah.
it's very safe. Yeah. In a medical study, we know that it's not good for someone whether he or she consumes something continuously. For example, someone who consumes carrot every day can cause side effect that his or her skin may turn into a bit yellowish. How about consuming the apple and grape stem cell? Is there any side effects if we continuously consume it?
No, the product and the use level has been designed in that sense that you can continuously use that for years.
No
Without
problem.
any negative effect.
No negative effects. Wow. That's good news. That's good. So, in a medical study, resveratrol is a good antioxidant. But if we take it together with aspirin, it can cause a high risk for bleeding to human body. Is there some kind of drugs or food that we cannot take while using the plant stem cell itself?
No, we have not experienced any of these issues, and also from the theory, we don't think that there is any issues like that.
Okay.
Because it's a natural product, and therefore it should be actually safe. There's no kind of effects like a combination of drugs or whatever, so you can continue your other drug medication and use it.
Consume this product, yeah, no problem, yeah. So what kind of plant the stem cell is? Is it a pluripotent, a totipotent, or a multipotent? Sorry if may be wrong in pronouncing it.
The pluripotent stem cell, because out of the stem cell the whole plant can be regenerated. So
Is
pluripotent.
pluripotent. Is there any clinical trial or evidence based about plant cell which can treat the disease like cancer or degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's or diabetes? If there are, how long do we need to treat those diseases?
No, there's no strategy to use these stem cells to treat these special diseases. So we don't have evidence for that, and it's also not a strategy, so we cannot make these claims.
I see. Is there any research or clinical trials about plant stem cells to treat the autoimmune disease or allergy or congenital diseases like autism?
No, again, the answer is no. We don't have any studies and no any indication in that direction. Therefore, these claims cannot be made.
I see. May we know about the clinical trials that have been succeed from the Mibel biochemistry about the apple and grape stem cells? Is there any evidence base that we can learn from it?
I think what we really have done is we could show that apple stem cells or grape stem cells can support the human stem cells in vitality. And if this vitality is improved, increased, it will have a holistic effect on the body.
Oh, so it sort of like it strengthens your immune system, and in return, you know what? Strengthening your immune system, it can fight off other diseases.
Yes,
I see.
That is the concept.
I see. So, for diabetics, is it safe to consume the product?
Yeah, so the safety of the product is very good. So if you're diabetic, or if you're pregnant or whatever, it's no problem.
It's no problem, yeah. So for people, for pregnant women giving milk to the babies, still
Also
no problem, yeah. That's good. So I think that's it. We have heard from the man himself, the creator. We are very happy. We learned so much from you today about the Mibel biochemistry products, and we hope to develop more range of products that could possibly be exclusive for Jim. So we are very happy to have this partnership going, and we hope we can grow together exponentially.
Good. Okay.
All right.
Michael.
Thank you so much. Yeah.